welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen. If you are new here, then welcome. I wanted to kind of just bring you along my day, sort of like a Vlogmas, but I'm not gonna do a video every day. My routine doesn't really change much. I usually do the same things every day, but I thought it would just be kind of fun just to bring you along my day or for this festive month. So yeah, I thought it would be fun to kind of take you along my day for today. Also, quick side note, guys, this candle is one of the best smelling candles I've ever purchased before. If you guys don't have an Anthropologie close to you, if you guys have a Kroger, I'm pretty sure those stores are like nationwide in the USA, but I think they're called like different names. I think one of them is like Menards or something. I'm not too sure. But here in Texas, it's called Kroger's. And our Kroger's is actually like a bigger marketplace kind. I'm not sure if that's the only reason why they have them available there. Hopefully it's not just the bigger ones. Hopefully it's every location. But anyways, I had no idea they carried the same Capri Blue line, and yeah, they're exactly the same price. I wish they were cheaper, but they're not. And yes, so I was really surprised to find them there in my local store. They had this beautiful crystal pine scent that smells amazing. It's just a perfect scent for winter. And if you guys know, we do have a fake tree, so we got it probably moving into this house like the first Christmas we got a real tree. The second year of Christmas in this house we got a fake one. And that was like my biggest regret was, just the beautiful scent of the real tree in your house. And this smells just like it. It smells beautiful. There's no like description. I think it's like under the sticker and I don't want to take it out. So my description would be, it smells like a Christmas tree or like Christmas pine. And it also smells a little bit like coconut and lime. I know it's a weird like description, but it smells so beautiful. And this packaging, beautiful. It's like a pretty white, creamy mercury glass, and it has like this etching here. And at night, it just looks so beautiful. And the throw is amazing. And they have two different packagings. They have this one, and they have a green with like a marble, like a gold marbling to it. And they also still had like their pumpkin scents and another scent. So yeah, if you guys are in the lookout for a perfect candle, it is a little pricey. It was $38. I would have never purchased a $38 candle, but I've been having it for like 2 weeks. I've been turning it on every day and it's still almost full. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I definitely do think it's worth it. My sister came over, my mom came over, and they were just like, oh my God, we love your candle. It smells really, really good. So if you guys have the chance, go ahead and go smell it. Alrighty, now I have to tackle our laundry, and I'm also waiting for a grocery delivery from Walmart. And also I purchased like some little cinnamon rolls so we could bake. I'll just say that Trixie and Ivy brought them for the girls. And you guys, my girls are 14 and 9. And they already know, you know, they know that this is not real, but it's just so fun for them to see like what I come up with and what I do regarding Shelf on the Elf. I mean, this is not really, you know, the original Elf on a Shelf. I just use these because they're so cute. And we made them. So, well, we made this one. We found this little cutie this year. If you guys didn't see my haul, go ahead and check it out. I share all of my Christmas finds for this year. Anyways, they know that, you know, it's not real, and it just makes it that much more special to me just to see that they want to keep it going and keep the tradition alive. I'm still a big child at heart anyways, so I enjoy it. And, you know, of course, since they already know, if they wake up in the morning and they're in the same exact spot, they know Mama was tired and I probably forgot, so I'll just move it during, you know, their time at school, and then once they come back, they can see that they've moved. So yeah, yesterday they came back, and I will share a picture here. I forgot to take a video. I'll share a picture of how I set it up and what they brought the girls. So yeah, I'm thinking of today could be like a little hot cocoa, bake cinnamon rolls, watch a movie kind of day. Speaking of which, I went to Dollar Tree this past week. My husband saw a deal online that they were having like 20% off Xbox cards, like gift cards, and he loves them. He always, you know, buys his little FIFA points or games. So he was like, well, let me go, you know, and get some cards. And I was like, well, let me tag along. Let's see. I hadn't been to Dollar General in years, and we actually have one close to us. I just never been to it. Surprisingly, they had so many cute things. I actually, like, you know, it just all hit me at once how much we used to go, and I just loved everything. They were really cute things for really great prices, and they actually have a little like section. They have their own Elf on a Shelf. They're called Elf Mates. When I went there, they were pretty much picked out. They had these two, and then they had like t-shirts, but they weren't that cute to me, so I just left them there for someone else to find. So yeah, these were $3 each, but they're really well made and they're so adorable. So these are little sleeping bags. I got 2, and then this little cute vest and mug. I just think it's so adorable. So I'll probably use these today, or I'll probably just save them for another day. But they're so cute. Hopefully they fit our dolls. And then I just got this little bag of coal. Yeah, they had a lot of really cute stuff, a lot of cute candy, and little stocking stuffers. Okay, now one last thing from Dollar Tree. Okay, this is a better view. I found this beautiful ceramic tree for only $6, and it actually lights up. It's really pretty and cute. Thought that was really beautiful, so I had to bring it home with me. got delivered. And now I'm gonna put all this away. Okay, so I just put all the groceries away and I'm about to go pick up my daughters from school. Today I didn't move it in the morning. I think I'm just gonna be moving it in the afternoon, so when they come home they'll just see it. And today my oldest daughter actually made her soccer team and she's super duper excited for it. So this is what I did with their elves. I just put them here on our stovetop. I just wrote a little congratulations note and I just put like, let's celebrate. And we're going to be making our cinnamon rolls for later while we watch a movie. They're gonna be so delicious. We haven't had them in a while. So I know they'll be excited for this little setup. I just put little disco balls and a little noisemaker. All right, you guys, so that is it for today. We're gonna just go ahead and serve the cinnamon rolls and probably watch the Gremlins, and yeah, and just clean up the kitchen. But that is it for today's video. Thank you guys for joining me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.